Hey there friends, Nibs again. Out here in the backyard doing a little bit of goofing around, a little bit of plinking. Thought you guys might want to come along and see what I'm doing today. But what I am going to be goofing around with today is, you guys have seen this one already, but this is my new Crosman Optimus. And we're going to be shooting this one across the yard here. I've got a target set up about 20 yards out here. And I've got a couple different pellets I'm going to be trying out. I've got these JSB Exact RS's. Going to be trying some of the RWS Diablo Basics, and then some of these Rifle Premium. So we got a pretty good span of weight pellets here, but not really. Just out here plinking around. Nice day. Went over and had good church service this morning. Went over there this afternoon and did a little bit of work and fixing a couple things up over there. And now it's just time to kick back and relax over here at the house. So we're gonna go ahead and shoot this, like I said, 20 yards. Got a little rest here, but no back rest, so it's gonna be up to me to steady it well. But let's see what we can do. I really need to try doing the modification that I see everybody doing to these triggers on these. This thing is super long and creepy. Can't see where that one hit. I think it hit in the bullseye, but I'm not 100% sure. Just got a little 4X Walther scope on this one. Alright, just shooting a little bit high with these. These are the Rifle brand Rifle Premiums. And these are the heaviest ones, 8.18 grains. Looks like a pretty decent group coming together there. I know a few people have tried the modification. Some people use washers, some people use a RC bearing in there. So I'm gonna have to study up on that a little bit. And oh, that one pulled up just a little bit, but that's not too bad a looking group with the Rifle Premiums. Let's try these RWS's next. These are the lightest pellets out of the group here. These are weighing at 7 grains. So, not sure where the bullet impact's gonna go for these. It's funny, the bullet impact's lower with a lighter pellet. Threatening to rain on me out here this afternoon, but still nice out and Not too much wind, a little bit of breeze blowing around, but not too bad. But I figured it'd be nice to get out here and do a little bit of plinking before the rain sets in. I think if I do the trigger mod on this and take it apart and get that little bit of twang, we'll put a little spring tar on this spring and maybe put a spring shim in there. This thing would probably be a really nice shooting gun. I mean, it's not terrible already. Looks like I'm keeping them all pretty much in that black circle there, which is pretty darn good for 20 yards for an air rifle. And a very budget one at that. I paid under $100 for this gun shipped, including taxes, so and that's not a, I mean, I got a good deal on it, but it's not like some smoking deal where I stole it from somebody or whatever. So these can be had usually in the low 100s. I've seen them as low as like 120, typical retail. So, but I found a pretty good deal and I jumped on it. I like to spend money, but I also like to save money. So, so these are the JSBs. Be the last group we do this afternoon. Oof, that one pulled about 3 inches high on me. I don't know what's going on with that. But that's why we do these kind of tests, to see what a gun's gonna shoot, what a gun is not gonna like. Consistent looking group, but point of impact is way up high. I don't know what's up with that. These are the only round nose pellets out of the bunch, but yeah, not seeming to like these ones too much. I guess it's grouping all right. Just hitting real high there. I am aiming at the bull that's below where all those impacts are hitting. Oop. Hit my fence post in the back there. Yeah, I guess it's not a terrible group. Let me go grab that target box and I'll be right back with you. Well, you guys saw those groups as I was shooting them, but I just had to go and look for myself. But honestly, other than the point of impact shift, they all look kind of about the same size, probably a little more than an inch. Actually, the JSB's overall group is probably less than the other two. Just the other two were actually closer to the bull that I was shooting at. So anyway, there you go. There is my Crosman Optimus, just out here doing a little bit of goofing around, a little bit of plinking, and I thought you guys would like to see it. Here is the little close-up of that guy. Pretty good shooting gun. My kind of my intention is winter's coming up pretty quick here. We'll do some tuning up on some of these budget rifles that I've gotten over the summer here, and then we'll be able to really do some testing with them. And got the Ruger Airhawk, the Walther Force 1000. I got this one. Let's see if I can make these shoot pretty comparables to some of my upper scale Springers that I've got. So anyway, hope you liked the video. If you did, like, share, and subscribe. Make sure you hit that notification bell. You'll be notified when I do post up new videos. Till next time, have a great day.